Hello and welcome to our channel, Top 10s You Should Know. Today, we're breaking down the top 15 myths about investing everyone should know. Each point will not only expose a common misconception, but also give you clarity and confidence to make smarter decisions with your money. So grab your notepad because this video could completely change the way you see investing. 1. Myth. Investing is only for the rich. One of the biggest myths out there is that investing is something only the wealthy can afford. People often imagine investors as men in suits sitting in Wall Street offices, moving millions around. But the truth? Investing is more accessible today than ever before. With fractional shares, you can start investing with as little as $5 or $10. Many apps even let you automate tiny amounts regularly, which compounds into serious growth over time. Waiting until you're rich to invest is like waiting to get fit before going to the gym. It doesn't work that way. 2. Myth. Investing is just gambling. Another common misconception is equating investing with gambling. Now, let's be real. Gambling is purely luck-based. You're betting against odds stacked against you, and the house almost always wins. Investing, however, is fundamentally different. When you invest in a stock, a bond, or even real estate, you're buying ownership in a business or an asset with intrinsic value. While markets fluctuate, history shows that, over time, they trend upward. The S&P 500, for instance, has averaged around 10% annual returns over the long term. 3. Myth. You need a financial advisor to invest. Many people delay investing because they think they need an expensive financial advisor to get started. While advisors can certainly help, especially with complex portfolios, the reality is you don't need one to begin. With technology, robo-advisors and investing platforms can build diversified portfolios automatically at extremely low costs. Even index funds, which simply track the overall market, give you exposure to hundreds of companies instantly without needing stock-picking expertise. 4. Myth. The stock market is too risky. This myth is powerful because, yes, the stock market can be volatile in the short term. But the key word here is short term. Over weeks or months, prices may swing wildly, but over decades, the trend is upward. In fact, the biggest risk isn't investing, it's not investing. Inflation slowly eats away at your money if it just sits in a savings account. A dollar today won't buy the same amount 20 years from now. Long-term investing in diversified assets reduces risk dramatically because market dips eventually recover. 5. Myth. You need a lot of knowledge before you start. This one holds people back for years. Many believe they need to master economics, finance, and endless books before they can begin. But here's the secret. You don't need to know everything. You just need to know enough to start. Think of it like driving a car. Do you need to know the mechanics of the engine to get from point A to B? No, you just need the basics. Simple strategies like dollar cost averaging into an index fund are beginner-friendly and powerful. As you go, you'll naturally learn more and adjust. 6. Myth. Past performance predicts future results. So many new investors make this mistake. They see a stock or fund that has done incredibly well over the last few years and assume it will continue. But markets don't work like that. Just because a stock soared in the past doesn't guarantee future success. In fact, chasing hot trends often leads to buying high and selling low. Instead, focus on fundamentals, the strength of the business, its financial health, and long-term growth potential. Diversification matters far more than yesterday's winners. 7. Myth. You should wait for the perfect time to invest. Many people hesitate because they're waiting for the market to settle or for the right moment. Here's the truth. There is no perfect time. If you wait for ideal conditions, you'll be waiting forever. Even professional investors can't consistently time the market. What really matters is time in the market, not timing the market. The earlier you start, the more your money compounds. Missing just a few of the best performing days in the market can drastically lower your returns. 8. Myth. All debt should be paid off before investing. This is a tricky one. While it's true that high-interest debt like credit cards should absolutely be a priority, not all debt is the same. Low-interest debt, like certain student loans or mortgages, may not need to be eliminated before you start investing. Why? Because your potential investment returns can outweigh the interest you're paying. For example, if your mortgage is 3%, but the market returns average 8 to 10%, investing gives you more growth over time. 9. Myth: real estate is always a safe investment. Many people see real estate as the ultimate guaranteed way to build wealth. While it can be powerful, it's not immune to risks. Property values can drop, maintenance costs can spiral, and markets can crash. Remember 2008? Entire housing markets collapsed, leaving many overleveraged investors bankrupt. Real estate is an asset class. Believing it's always safe creates a dangerous blind spot. 10. Myth: investing is only about making money. At its core, investing isn't just about piling up dollars. It's about freedom, security, and building a life you control. Many assume it's only about maximizing profit, but true investing includes aligning your money with your values. For example, socially responsible investing allows you to support companies that match your ethics. And even beyond that, investing is about peace of mind, knowing your future is secured, your family is protected, and you have choices. 11. Myth: you'll get rich quick. Too many people jump into investing thinking it's a lottery ticket. This myth destroys portfolios. Real investing is about long-term patience, not overnight riches. Quick money schemes often lead to quick losses. The real wealth builders, like Warren Buffett, became rich because they let compounding do the heavy lifting over decades. Get rich quick thinking makes you impulsive, emotional, and reactive, the exact opposite of what makes a successful investor. 12. Myth: you should follow what everyone else is doing. This is one of the most dangerous myths: herd mentality. People assume if everyone is buying into a trend, it must be right. But history is full of bubbles caused by this mindset. .com, housing, crypto hype. Following the crowd often means you're too late. By the time everyone's talking about it, the real gains are gone. Smart investors think independently, do their research, and aren't afraid to go against the crowd. Herds chase excitement, investors chase value. 13. Myth: bonds are always safe. Many people believe bonds are the ultimate safe investment. While they're generally less volatile than stocks, they're not risk-free. Inflation can erode their real value. Interest rate hikes can drop their price, and default is always possible with weaker issuers. Believing they're always safe blinds you to the real risks. No asset is truly risk-free. 14. Myth: you have to be young to benefit from investing. This myth discourages older people from starting, and it's simply false. Yes, the earlier you start, the better because of compounding. But even starting later in life has massive benefits. Investing isn't just about decades of growth. It's also about income, stability, and fighting inflation. Even someone in their 50s or 60s can build wealth through consistent investing strategies. The idea that it's too late stops people from ever trying, when in reality, starting today is always better than not starting at all. 15. Myth: investing is too complicated for the average person. Finally, perhaps the biggest myth, that investing is only for experts with advanced degrees. This is absolutely false. In fact, the most powerful strategies are often the simplest. Index funds, dollar cost averaging, diversification, none of these require complicated knowledge. What holds most people back isn't complexity, it's fear. Financial literacy is a skill anyone can learn, step by step. If you can learn how to drive a car, cook a meal, or use a smartphone, you can learn to invest. And there you have it, the top 15 myths about investing everyone should know. The truth is, these myths hold people back more than actual financial risks. By letting them go, you open the door to building real, lasting wealth. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these myths have you believed at some point, and which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Your perspective might just help someone else on their journey.